Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is the part 6 of the LINQ tutorial series. In this video we are going to talk about select extension method. So in LINQ we have an extension method named select. Now we will try to understand what does this extension method do, okay, with an example. So you can see we have a list which is employees, right? Now we want to update the name of the employee and we want to extend updated keyword, so updated at the end of each name. So the output should be like this: David updated, okay, and Lisa updated. So an updated string will be added at the end of each and every employee name. So that's the goal. So basically we are trying to manipulate the employee name, okay. So how can we achieve this? So if you are familiar with JavaScript, in JavaScript we have a method called map in array.map. So in that method you can basically manipulate the element of an array, right? You can multiply the elements of an integer array. You can perform the modulus operation. You can perform all sorts of operation using map, right? So basically for each and every element, if you want to perform an operation, you can using map. Similarly, select extension method does the same thing, right? So suppose, let's see, we have an updated underscore name variable, and we are trying to store the updated we are trying to store the list of updated names to this updated underscore name variable. Now how we can do that? Now we have a list, right? Employees dot. Now if we use this, right, you can see select. So we have an extension method named select, and after that we want to add the updated keyword or updated string at the end of the name. So what we can do, e arrow, we can provide a lambda expression, e dot employee name plus updated, okay, and that's it. Now if you hover on this variable, right, updated name, you can see this is nothing but an enumerable string of updated name. So if I try to print all the name for each string in updated name, and then if I print console dot write line n, if I try to print it out, let's run the application. So build succeeded. You can see we were able to print David updated, Lisa updated, like that. So that was our that is our expected output, right? So that is the function of the select extension method. It is very useful method whenever you will be encountering a big code base, or whenever you are working in a project, you will encounter this particular extension method very frequently, okay. So you have to understand what is the function of this extension method. So that is the importance. I hope you like this content, and if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, please please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.